Hi guys, this is your boy Nafi Hamza, network marketer, coach. Today I want to share a very quick value with most of my marketers out there, those who are struggling. I don't know how long you're gonna stay in this business struggling before you make a very good income, make a very good money, which can change your life and the life of your family. You know, if you invest in your knowledge and you know what you are doing, there's no losing out here, right? Today I drew a sales funnel. This is the perfect way your sales funnel needs to look like. I'm going to explain and walk you guys through this sales funnel so you guys can implement this in your business right now. This is a setup of your landing page, your follow-up sequence, which is your autoresponder, your website, your blog, your fan page. If you have all these tools set up, if you don't have them, then you're not in business, all right? You need to have these tools to be in business, to be able to make a lot of money, because you make money from your follow-ups, the emails you send out, the traffic that comes in. It's just like you having a shop, right? You want to sell something, you have a shop, you have a land, you build a shop, you decorate your shop, you put things in it, people comes in and they buy. This is just how it is too online. So I'm gonna walk you guys through it. Now, this is a sales funnel. This is how it looks. This is sales funnel, right? Your CPA offers, your affiliate program, and whatever you want to use your sales funnels for. And then, as the sales funnels looks just like this, right? The traffics are coming in, but they will come through your capture page. Not all of them are gonna agree to opt in into your capture page. Those who try to exit, you're gonna give them CPA offers. Maybe they don't like what you're giving them right here. You're gonna give them CPA offers, CPL, which is cost per action. That is CPA. CPL is cost per lead. Cost per action is the situation whereby there are websites like Cash Network, ClickShop, ClickBank, and more. People put their product there and they get affiliates to promote this product for them. Okay, so they can pay any amount to the affiliate who brings in sales for them. It's a one-time offer, OTO. So if you're able to sell a CPA offer, which could cost up to like, they can pay you up to $250, $60 to $250 and plus, which I just stated here. And a CPL offer is cost per lead. Use lead submission, right? People submit their email address to the website or their information to the website. You get paid maybe from $1.30 to $2.50 plus. So this is the exit offer. So you can be able to make people, you spend money on advertisement, you spend money solo ads and all this kind of stuff. You can, like, maybe 40% gonna opt in and then 60% gonna move out, or you can get from 40 to 60% opt in and the 40%. Anyone who just try to opt out of this or maybe reject this offer you giving them right there, they come in here, they're gonna give you money right here. So this right here can give you back the cost of your advertisement. Okay, and those who opt in here, the traffic coming in, you're gonna give them CPA offer, right? You're gonna make a quick money out of CPA offer, which is one-time offer, OTO. And these CPA offers are offers just like affiliate programs, softwares, and things which people need. All right. So they see the offer, they like it, they buy it. They don't like it, they're already in your funnel right here, which is in your follow-up autoresponder. So you're gonna follow up with them for 7 days, which is gonna be the same CPA offers, but it could be a different offer because you've already shown them this offer already, and then they don't like the offer, or maybe they are not ready to buy the offer yet. You can still promote it for the 7 days, or you can promote a different offer for the 7 days follow-up you're gonna give them right here. Then the ones who bought this CPA offers and the one who didn't buy, you're going to follow up for 14 days with your affiliate program. All right, you don't have to. Most people make mistake in this business by
showing their list, the same offers every blessed day when you're the lead in your offer. I mean, the lead in your autoresponder. They are just like you and I, right? They are marketers, or they are people who want to make money online, who are ready to, searching for another way to make money online. And you show them the same offer, but they don't like the offer, all right? They don't just like the offer. You don't have to repeat the same offer to them again, or they're going to opt out from your follow up, your autoresponder, or it's going to look like you spamming them. They don't like it because you forcing them to take what they don't like. So you need to change the offer. You give them your affiliate program, and in case they like the affiliate program, they're gonna buy it and they're gonna join you in your team, and you're gonna make a residual income from them. It's gonna be month after month, and at the same time, you're gonna help them, right? You don't just leave them hanging. Once they join you in your affiliate program, you need to get to know them. They know you. You are their sponsor. You have to help them. Some people are just newbies. They don't know how to go by the website and the whole affiliate program thing. So you need to deliver. You need to help these people, help them and grow as a team. Okay, this is what I do in my business. So once they buy from it, the next step, you bring them to your application form. You send out to this list those who are in already and those who are not in with you already, but they still want to know more about, they want to educate themselves about this whole internet marketing, how it works and how it goes. You send out an application form which you can sign up at wufoo.com, wufoo.com. You can get there, you can get some free applications which you can use, which you can send out, and you're going to get people who are going to fill out this form, and they're going to join you in your coaching program. If you don't know how to coach, you need to learn. If you can make a sale, if you can build a sales funnel, if you can do all this, you can coach, all right? If you can sell, you can show people how to sell too, all right? So you need to get out of the box, get out of your comfort zone and teach people, right? Teach people, get to know people, let people know you, okay? So you can be able to show them how things are done. It's easy and simple as that. Then from there, these are all money. This is the last point where the money, you're going to squeeze them out here and you're going to make a lot of money, okay? So this is my sales funnel. This is how my sales funnel looks like, all right? And you're going to be sending broadcast messages every 3 days or every 4 days or every 5 days. You don't have to keep sending messages every day, like 4 or 5 messages. You're going to spam them and they're going to get tired of you, all right? You need to limit yourself. Let them know you're a real marketer, you know what you're doing. You don't just want to force people to buy what they don't want. It's easy and simple. It's marketing. And then it doesn't finish here, all right? This is where the fun begins. You have a website, you have a blog, you have a fan page, this is what you're going to be doing, right? Anytime you want to share an article or you want to share something, you have it on your website or you have it on your blog, a video, whatever it is. You want to share value out there. You need to share value. You need to help people, right? What you give is what you get. If you help a lot of people to get what they want in life, you're going to get yours too. You're going to get more. You know what I'm saying? You show people how to make money. You make money by showing people how to make money. It's easy, right? You change lives, right? You make money and you change lives, okay? You take from them, you give them back, right? You don't just take from people and leave them hanging. They're going to call you a scammer at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So people go to get confused, overwhelming, and all these kind of things. That's how it works online. You know what I'm saying? People get overwhelming because they're not ready to learn, or they cannot learn, or they just find it difficult. They get tired of everything. Information overloaded and all these kind of things happen. It happens to me once before. You know what I'm saying? I keep jumping from here and there, losing a lot of money, not understanding how everything works. You know what I'm saying? But I never give up because I know it's not a scam. It works, but it's me. I'm the only person who can stop me from being successful. Okay? So I get out of my comfort zone. I get out of the box. I keep learning. I don't blame nobody. You know what I'm saying? I get on and on. And I know what I'm doing right now. And I'm helping a lot of people out there, changing their lives, showing them what to do, making sales every day. That's how it goes, all right? So you post on your fan page. You have a link that goes to your website. From your website goes to your blog, from your blog to your website. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be in your follow-up messages. Whenever you send out a message to, in the signature, you're going to have your website, a picture of you, your website, your fan page, your Facebook profile. People get to know you from there. So it's easy and simple as that, baby. It's easy and simple. So it's going to be rotating from your blog to your fan page, or from your fan page to your follow-up. Alright, so if you don't understand how everything works, just hit me in my inbox and I'm going to share this with you one-on-one on Skype,
free. All right, free. So don't be scared to talk to me. Don't be scared to ask me how it works. I don't know how long you're gonna keep struggling before you understand how it works online. You know what I'm saying? Don't overhype yourself. Don't let people know you're making money. Why you're not making money? You know you're not making money online because you're not doing it right. You put $1 in it and it doesn't bring nothing to you. It hurts. Don't lose money, right? As the great one Warren Buffett said, rule number one, don't lose money. Rule number two, don't forget about rule number one. Okay? You need to put in money and it brings out money. Alright? You put $1, it gives you $1.50. This is marketing. This is how you do it. You don't need to lose. Keep losing day in, day out. It sucks. It doesn't make sense. Alright? So learn. Don't be scared to learn. Develop. Put it here. I have a big forehead. I get a lot of stuff in it. Alright? I get a lot of things in it. I learn every day. I don't stop learning. I keep attending webinars. You know what I'm saying? Events online, all kind of stuff. I do a lot of things. I learn every day. You know what I'm saying? I don't sleep. I sleep 3 to 4 hours a day. I keep learning because I know what I want. I know where I'm coming from. I know where I'm going. So you need to implement all this in your business right here. Okay? And I have one thing to share with you guys. You're on Facebook. You have a lot of friends. Similar kind of friends. Marketers, dream chasers. All right? You're going to see a lot of people going to spam you. They're going to be sending offers in your inbox, sending you messages. Don't get pissed off. You know what I'm saying? They're going to be pitching you every day. Those people who spam you are struggling. All right? Find a way to talk to them and bring them into your business. Okay? Show them what works. Let them know spamming doesn't make sense. You don't need to spam. All right? I've been there before. Everybody have been there before. I know about that. So don't get annoyed with people who spam you. Talk to them, bring them down, tell them, hey, I know you're struggling, that's why you're spamming, right? All right, let me show you what works. This is how you're going to do it. That is it, as simple as that. All right, guys, stay blessed, stay cool, don't give up, keep your head straight, keep struggling, keep struggling, keep grinding, and don't struggle no more. Peace out.